This video is brought to you by Kapara Productions. Let's begin. A common question I always get asked as a Hebrew teacher is how to use the word Etzel, and what does it even mean? Let's break it down. Etzel has two meanings, and both are very similar. The first meaning, someone or something, is in someone's house. The second meaning, someone or something, is currently in someone's possession, but not necessarily in their house. Let's look at some examples, shall we? אני אצל ההורים שלי בשבת. I'm at my parents on Shabbat. הספר שלך אצלי במשרד. I have your book. It's at my office. אתם רוצים לאכול צהריים אצלנו או אצלכם? Do you want to eat lunch by us or by you guys? מה חדש אצלה? What is new with her? המטען שלי אצלך, נכון? You have my charger, correct? אצל מי יונתן? הוא אצל סבא. At whose house is Yonatan? He's at Grandpa's house. אצלם בבית תמיד יש בלגן. At their house, there is always a mess. בקרוב אצלך. Meaning, soon by you. This is something you'd wish someone who is yearning for a long time for something, such as like getting married or having a baby. Now, let's learn how to conjugate etzel correctly. Etzli, by me. Etzlecha, by you, when speaking to a man. Etzlech, by you, when speaking to a woman. Etzlo, by him. Etzla, by her. Etzlenu, by us. Etzlechem, by you guys. Etzlechen, by you gals. Etzlam, by them, when speaking about males. Etzlan, by them, when speaking about females. I hope this tutorial gave you a basic understanding about using this super useful word. Continue watching my other videos to learn more important concepts in Hebrew. That is all, guys and girls. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, yalla bye!